We are now here at Yong An Park, one of the largest freehold condominium penthouse located in District 9. With the development of such an age, where the actual dimension of the floor plan wasn't provided, our designer Robin took the extra mile to remeasure the entire floor plan to scale for our client. With the remarkable 6.5 meters high ceiling height for the living hall, it is intricate for our designer to go with a coffered ceiling feature, which gives the illusion of depth. To keep it simple, with an exquisite chandelier taking the center stage. This project shouts luxury and comfort from every perspective. A design that is not commonly seen in a typical Singapore house. The owner requested for only real wood to be used. In today's context, there is only a handful of master carpenters in Singapore that specialize in solid carpentry. Thankfully, Robin is long enough in the trade and found one of the best carpenters in Singapore with solid wood carpentry and detailed wood carving for the penthouse that is rarely seen in Singapore. Upon stepping in, two crafted pillars greet you as you enter the home, leading straight into the grand living room with a double volume ceiling height and a statement art piece from India. Moving on to the dining area, it extends out to the balcony area where you can relax to enjoy the views. With the bedroom at the back of the penthouse, it creates a separation of space between the communal area and the private suite. The room surrounds the praying area, and one of the prominent features is the onyx wall altar with the backsplash that diffuses a soft glow in the background. The master bedroom is greeted with a distinct art piece along with wooden shelvings and tiles, making it look luxurious. And you will realize all the rooms have a double ceiling height by using a tray ceiling that provides a more desirable illusion of the room, seeming larger and more spacious. Each room has its own bathroom, enabling each to showcase its own uniqueness in a way that showcases its own personal preference. One of the key features in this penthouse will be the rails of this 3/4 ton staircase with an integrated shoe cabinet that greets you from the beginning. The twists and turns of the iron railing make them attractive for home decor the moment you step into home. The theatre on the second floor with carved wood features paneling highlighting the corridor is perfect for a large family and great for gaming. Linked to the rooftop alcove, the guests can easily be entertained at the entertainment hall. The walls are adorned with wall architrave and paneling, which blends with the classic elements in other areas. Not wanting to create just another rooftop garden, we created a space where you can step into a different atmosphere while still in the comfort of your home, which oversees the hectic city skyline. We made a space that will serve as a welcoming spot to invite guests or even throw a party. We have transformed this to a high-quality penthouse that is not commonly seen in Singapore, that makes our clients contented with their new home.